Hey everyone, so today's video is how to look good in leggings, so I really hope you like it, and let's get into it. Leggings are great because of how comfy they are, and I feel like they're just such a staple in anyone's wardrobe. My favourites are Victoria's Secret, Adidas and Nike. Let me know your favourites in the comments because it's just so hard to find the perfect ones. Because a good pair of leggings are so hard to find, I've struggled a lot in the past with them being see-through. So the first little hack you can do to prevent this is to wear a pair of tights underneath them. This is perfect for when the weather gets colder too because it gives you an extra layer, but it also just helps to smooth everything out. You can buy footless tights, but if you don't have any, just wear your leggings with a pair of boots like I have here. These black ones just look so classy, or you could just wear some Timberland style boots like this, and this also just looks really good. I'll leave links to every item I show in this video in the description, so just click show more if you're on a laptop, or click on the title of this video if you're on a mobile or tablet, and all of the links to every outfit will appear. Another way to disguise if your leggings are see-through is to wear a long top or t-shirt. This one is from ASOS. It looks a little boring on its own though, so over the top I've just put on my denim jacket from Topshop. By wearing a crop jacket, it just gives the look a bit more dimension and also gives you more shape because it kind of crops you off in the middle, if that makes sense. I love oversized t-shirts because they're just so easy to style in loads of different ways. I actually made a video about this, so I'll leave a link to it at the end of this video. A check shirt is another item I go to if my leggings are a bit see-through. This one is from New Look, and the two ways I like to wear it is either just over the top because of the length of it, it covers you up, and I just also really like the look of this anyway with the leggings and a band t-shirt. The other way I style it is to tie the shirt around my waist. This again covers you up, but I just really like the style of this, especially in the summer. But you could also wear a jacket over the top too, like a leather one or a denim one. A denim shirt is a great alternative to a check one if you don't have one or prefer that. I just love denim shirts, they just go so well with leggings as well because you don't have to worry about double denim or if the shades go together. This one is from Forever 21, I'll leave a link to it in the description if you want to check it out. I love cardigans. It's one of my favourite ways to style leggings because the look is just so comfy and relaxed. This cardigan is really old, so I'll leave a similar style one in the description box, but a great thing about them too is that they give you extra coverage if your leggings are thinning out. The shoes I'm wearing with this are my favourite pair of trainers from Nike. They're the Flyknit style, I'm just obsessed with them, I wear them all the time. A slightly smarter way of dressing up your leggings would be to wear them with a khaki shirt or maybe a classic white one with a pair of boots. This is my go-to look when I want to dress it up a little bit, but I still want to be comfy by wearing my leggings. You can also dress this look down by putting on a denim jacket over your shoulders and switching the boots for a pair of trainers. A super relaxed way to style leggings is just to wear them with a simple hoodie. Mine is from Brandy Melville, and you can just throw an oversized denim jacket over the top to give you a bit more warmth but also dress the look up a bit too. This outfit would be so good if you're at school or uni. You all know how much I love and go on about camel coats, and this is no exception. You can wear a camel coat over your shoulders with a basic black top and boots to give you a more dressier, sophisticated look with your leggings but still feel comfy. Another option to the camel coat would be to wear a checked blazer. These are everywhere at the moment and a really good staple piece to have in your wardrobe to dress an outfit up. This one was from Vera Moda, so I'll leave a link to it down below. And for a night out, I would style my leggings with a black lacy bodysuit, and I'm just putting a belt around my waist. This is a great way to dress up your leggings more and make the look more interesting. Over the top, I've gotten this amazing silky shirt from ASOS. These are great to elevate a look and you can get them in so many different colours. And then for my shoes, I'm just wearing a pair of black strappy heels from Aldo. Again, just by adding a pair of heels really dresses the outfit up so much. If you don't have a shirt like this, you could easily switch it up for a blazer. This one is in a tweed style and I just love all of the detail on it and the gold buttons. This is from River Island and I'll leave a link to it along with everything in the description box. So that is it, everyone. I really hope you liked this video and got some inspiration from it. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you did, because it means so much to me and it will let you know when I've next uploaded. And yeah, have an amazing day as always, and I'll speak to you all in my next video. Bye guys.